are going to do something that's a little bit out of the norm. I've actually gone into my closet and I've searched for fabrics. There's actually a pattern fabric, and I'll show you the original. This is the original. And what I've done is I've drawn some pattern on top of it and taken that original and superimposed another design on it. And so what this becomes is the background, and the design that I put on top is actually in the foreground, what is called the foreground. And what's interesting about painting over fabrics is that depending on the design and how powerful the design is, you can paint over it, but part of it still seeps through. So for example, where you see that I painted over beige, the pink is really powerful. But then here where I'm painting over that, some of the background actually shows through, and that's actually quite fine. This is one that is, natural fabric. That could actually have something quite lovely, maybe bird scenes or whatever. And, or something like this, which is radial, and you can superimpose another fabric on top of. But go into your closet, find something that you'll never wear again. Maybe mom's 70s, polyester fabric or something like that. My mom had a lot of really garish clothing in the 70s. So that could actually be quite interesting. To use a marker in order for you to see some of it, and it's kind of difficult to see it over the black, but essentially I have an outline of flowers and some circles, and I might stencil some additional things. Now what I wanted to mention, when you're doing fabric, there's a gesso that is called clear gesso to prepare any canvases. And highly recommend using clear gesso first and then to paint with acrylic. We are going to be using acrylic paint.